Welcome. In this video, you're going to learn step by step how to export files from public groups on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. If you've been wondering how to safely back up or access your files from groups you follow, this guide will walk you through the exact process in a simple and clear way. First, begin by opening your Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is up and running, look at the top of the window. You'll see 3 horizontal lines in the corner, also known as the main menu. Go ahead and click on that. From that menu, select the option labeled Settings. Inside the Settings window, find and click on Advanced. This section gives you more control over how Telegram stores and manages your data. Now scroll down until you see an option called Export Telegram Data. This is the tool we'll be using to pull out the files from your public groups. Once you click on it, you'll get a list of categories you can check. For this tutorial, make sure you only select public groups, since we're focusing only on exporting from those. After choosing public groups, scroll further down and look for the category labeled Files. Check that box as well. This ensures that only the files inside those groups will be exported. Once everything is selected correctly, click on Export and let the app do its job. Depending on the size of your groups and how many files you have, this process might take a little while. Once the export is complete, you'll see an option appear that says Show My Data. Click on it, and you'll be able to access the folder containing all of your exported files neatly organized. And that's it! You've successfully exported files from public groups right inside the Telegram app for PC. It's a really handy feature for saving important documents, media, or any content you don't want to lose. If you found this walkthrough helpful, take a moment to try the steps yourself right now. That way, you'll remember how simple and effective it is to manage your Telegram data whenever you need it.